Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if you're getting this system no SIM available is on your phone and you're not getting phone service. So there's multiple reasons why this might be showing up, and we're going to go through the troubleshooting steps, and hopefully by the end of the video this issue is fixed. So whenever you're having this issue, the very first thing to do is go ahead and pull down the control menu here from your iPhone, put your phone on airplane mode for a moment and then turn it back off, and that does a quick network refresh. So it just reloads your network settings so that if it is not registering your SIM card, it will hopefully fix that and that will go away. But let's say it still says no SIM card available. What else can you do? Well, next thing to do is simply take out your, if you have a physical SIM card, take it out and then put it back in. So in order to do that, you need a SIM ejector tool like this, which usually comes in the box here with your iPhone. So if you go into your iPhone box, you should have a pamphlet like this, and there should be a SIM ejector tool there. Now, let's say you don't have that, or you threw it away or lost it. You can also take a paper clip, bend it like this so that it's pointy like that, like a SIM ejector tool, and then we can take the SIM card out. So to do that, it's going to be really simple here. I'm going to move this out of the way here, right? You can either of these should work fine, and then all you'll do is come over on your left hand side. The SIM tray is right here, and if you have a SIM card in there, great. If not, make sure you do have a SIM card. Most of the time you see that error message because it's not reading the SIM correctly, and the SIM card should already be there. If it's not already, sometimes just taking it out, making sure that the SIM card doesn't have any damage, like liquid or water damage going on. Maybe it's not scuffed up or beat up. Sometimes you need to get a replacement SIM if that's the case, which your carrier will give you for free to replace it. But basically just take it out and push it back in there. Make sure it sits nice and flush against the bezel here. You don't want any kind of like sticking out or anything. That means it won't read. And hopefully by then your message goes away for the no SIM available. Now let's say you're still having issues. What else can you do? Well, the next thing you want to do is a force restart your iPhone. So in order to do a force restart, you're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, one after another. So volume up, volume down, and then hold the side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo reappear again. So I'm going to do volume up, volume down, one after another, and then quickly hold the side button. And you're not going to slide to power off. You're going to simply hold that side button until the screen goes completely black. And once you see the Apple logo, we'll let go of that button. So I keep on holding it, and then once I see the Apple logo, I let go. And what I have done is simply forced the phone to shut down completely and then reload the code. So if it's a software related issue impacting the phone, it will resolve that issue and hopefully it will be working for you. Now, let's say you did that and you're still probably not getting a service or no SIM available. What can you do now? The next thing you want to do is go ahead into your setting of your iPhone and go to General, go all the way down here where it says Transfer Reset iPhone, and you click on that. Click on the first option for reset, and the reset that you want to do is a network reset. Basically, a network reset resets any connection that you ever made with any Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connected devices. Once you do that, it will say that basically the setting will be back to a factory default, which is good, and this will not delete any of your personal data. So all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. You don't have to worry about any of that at all. And it will take about a minute or two to do, but it's important to do that. Now, after you have done that and it's still not working, it's time to see if you need to update your iPhone. So in order to update your iPhone, it's going to be really simple. You're going to go into your settings, go to General, Software Update, and look to see if there's an update available. If there is an update available, it's going to pop up right here, and it's going to say Update Now or Download. Install the update. Make sure your phone is at least 50% or more charged and connected to a strong Wi-Fi, of course, because if your no SIM card is available, you're not going to have cellular, but basically connected to strong Wi-Fi, and download the update, and hopefully after you update it, your iPhone is working. Now, if all of that you have done and it's still not working, most likely you need to contact your carrier to ensure that the SIM card that you have on your account is actually active with your account. Sometimes the SIM card is not active, or if you moved it from one phone to another, the carrier needs to update their system with the phone's new IMEI number, which you can get in the settings, General, About, and you can give them the IMEI number here so they can add it to their system to make sure that it's working correctly for you. And I hope this video was helpful by going through these troubleshooting steps and you're now able to fix your phone. And if so, please make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.